Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma informed the House that the government cannot pass a resolution to oppose the Uniform Civil Code without knowing the contents of the bill. Sangma was replying to a motion moved by legislators from Mauhati, Nongthamai, Ampati, North Shillong, Milliam, Songsak, Gambagri and Mauringkeneng, who requested the government to come up with a resolution opposing the UCC. In his reply, Sangma said that through the UCC has created a sense of fear, apprehension and doubts in the mind of the people in the state. Opposing the bill without reading the contents will not be appropriate.
That when it comes to looking at the UCC, and the possibility of it coming as a bill, and then the possibility of it being passed, we as a state, as a government, and as political parties, we are all very much against this concept or this idea of a UCC. As legislatures, and without going through the content of what the bill intends to do, it really will not be appropriate for us at this point in time to pass a resolution simply because we don't know, or there is no bill, there is nothing that has been moved. Yes, there is a fear, no doubt. Yes, there are apprehensions. Yes, there